Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Monday night going into Tuesday morning, a little after 1 o'clock, St. Louis, Missouri time. We're going to be talking about XRP, Ripple. We're going to be talking about the top 6 market cap coins, looking at the top 100 market cap. And let's go ahead and get into this. We'll see if there's any interesting new news for XRP today. Okay, we'll go ahead and start with the number 6 coin, which actually happens to be Bitcoin Cash, and it's got a market cap of 2,232,000 at 126.44, and it's up actually 0.78%. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 24-hour chart. It looks like Bitcoin Cash is about the only coin tonight that's actually up right now. Just 1 second here, folks. Bear with me here. Okay. Yeah, it looks like for most of the day it was a lot of sideways trading. Let's see. It looks like we hit a low right here of about 123.25. Then we shot back up a little bit to about 124.52 to 124.70. And pretty much throughout the whole day, it bounced between 124 and 125. And then it looks like about up here, it looks like you got up to about 127.49 and then retraced back down to about 126.66. So you could have made a little bit of money on Bitcoin Cash today, but in the top 6, it looks like that's about the only coin you were able to really do anything with today. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other 5. It looks like Litecoin still holds the number 5 spot. We got a market cap of $2.84 billion. It's at $46.76, and we're down 0.36%. And let's take a look at that 24-hour chart. And they're saying that Litecoin could dip a little bit lower. As I've said in previous videos, I'm thinking the lowest we're going to see on Bitcoin, maybe 40, maybe 39. But I think that's going to be about the lowest. I don't know if we're going to see a $24 Litecoin again. But you never know. With this bear, we could get a bear market. Who knows? But anyway, let's take a look at the 24-hour here. It looks like we started off pretty high here, 47.10. Then we retraced back down here again to 45.96. Went back up to about 46.54. And it looks like just a lot of sideways trading, guys. And up here, about 46.63 and about 46.75. So it looks like 47.10 is going to be about your top for Litecoin today. But it looks like, as I said before, I've heard that it's a possibility we could see a $40 Litecoin again. It's not likely, but there is that chance. Let's go ahead and move on to number 4, which belongs to EOS. EOS has got a market capitalization at $2.987 billion at $3.30. Looks like you're down 1.01% on EOS. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart. And it looks like your 24-hour for EOS, it looks like you got up to about 334, then you retraced back down again. Your lowest point was about 321, then you started bumping up a little bit. Yeah, it looks like a lot of sideways here too. I think we're just in a sideways kind of period right now. I think it's going to consolidate out for a while, do some sideways trading, and I'm hoping we're going to have a big move here pretty soon on everything. Let's see, who is number 3? My favorite. I like Ethereum and Litecoin, but I would say one of my biggest favorites right now is XRP. Now, they're saying for XRP it could dip below 30 cents, but I would see that as a buying opportunity, guys. If you know the old saying, buy on dips, sell when it's high. I mean, that's always look at dips as a good opportunity to buy low. And let's go ahead and look at XRP. We got a market cap of XRP at $12.669 billion, and we are currently at 30 cents. And we're down 0.18%. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart. And your 24-hour looks like this. Yeah, it looks like a lot of the same kind of thing. A lot of backwards, back and forth, sideways trading here. Bouncing between 0.305, 304, 305. Maybe a 6 mixed in here and there, but it looks like for XRP right now, it looks like a lot of sideways trading, guys, really. Which is a good thing. I mean, I'm really hoping that it don't fall below 30 cents, but there are some speculations that it could go 25, maybe 20. I'd say 20. I'd say 24 would be your lowest, but that's just a guess. Don't take my advice as literal. I'm just offering you an opinion. Let's see what your lowest for XRP was, 3.034. And your highest for today was 0.0375. So, but you know, with XRP, slow and steady wins the race. So let's just keep it going. You know, I'm going to kind of see if there's any interesting news real quick on XRP. Just a second, guys. Okay, XRP. Okay. I promise that next time I will have all this stuff pulled up for you. There we go. XRP. Okay, Coinbase providers were selling client data to outside sources, says director. Oh, that's not good. Ripple bear prices. Yeah, it looks like we could be in for a little bit of a bear market here. They could dip below 30 cents, which really, in my mind, would not be that big of a deal compared to other coins of how bad they're getting hit. Ripple gains acclaim as one of Silicon Valley's best. I mean, there is a lot of really big potential stuff going on here, so I would really look at this as an opportunity to buy more. I mean, if you can, accumulate as much as you possibly can and just hold on to it. Okay, let's go ahead and check out number 2. And drum roll, that belongs to number 2, Ethereum, which it has been in that spot for about, I'd say almost a month now. I think it's been just about a month. Ethereum's held the number 2 spot. And we got a market cap of $13.519 billion, and we are currently at $128.59. We're down 0.15%, and let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart. Okay, pretty much the same thing as Ripple, XRP. A lot of sideways trading here. It looks like your highest was 128. I think this might be it right here, 128.59. Let's see what this one says here. 129 looks like it's going to be, that's going to about do it for Ethereum. 129.14. And then we retrace back down again to about 125.92. And then just pretty much a lot of back and forth all day. But like I said before in prior videos, I think Ethereum, I think it's going to bottom out at about 120, and then there's talks of it possibly retesting the 160 point again. So if I were you, don't get freaked out if it drops to 120. Hold on to it, because you know in about a week or so, it's going to be right back up in that 160 range. You're going to wish you hold on to it. So let's go ahead and take a look. Take a look at the number 1 spot, which belongs to Bitcoin. Big shocker. Okay, Bitcoin has a market cap of $66,167,000, and we are currently at $3,765 and a whopping 62 cents. We are currently down 0.39%. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart. as my slow ass computer goes on and on. Let's see. Yeah, guys, looks like a lot of sideways trading. I mean, it was, to be honest with you guys, today was kind of a dull, quiet day. Really not a whole lot going on. I didn't really notice any big dips or big jumps in anything today. Just a lot of red. So we'll take a look at that here in just a second. But for Bitcoin, it looks like your top today was 3,794.02, and it retraced all the way back down to about 37.43.11, and then just went up a little bit, but just like I said, just a lot of sideways trading right now. Not a whole lot going on right now. Like I said, this is kind of a boring time right now, but just always try to, look at it as a way to just, get coins cheap right now, accumulate as much as you can, hold on to it for the next big bull run, and take profits. Don't be a dummy like me and not sell out when you're supposed to, and then anyway. Okay, it looks like our market for the whole market market cap is 126,783,000,000, I believe, or 88, that's what it is. And the 24-hour volume is 27,371,000. And it looks like you got a Bitcoin dominance of 52.2%, which really would explain to me a lot of the red going on here. So, as I've said in prior videos, when Bitcoin dominance is above 52%, you're going to see a lot of the altcoins suffer for that. So, you want to keep that Bitcoin dominance around 51, maybe 50.5. You're in pretty good shape. But once you get above that 52, 53, well, you're going to start seeing declines in the market. Anyway, guys, it's Monday night. I hope y'all have a great evening. And thank y'all for listening. And please, 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 if you like the content, hit like. And please, please subscribe. I really appreciate you guys watching. Y'all have a pleasant evening. This is Jason Banky signing off.